Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bose SoundLink 2 mini speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily check your battery percentage on your iOS device. And first we have to scroll to the left on our home. Now as you can see, we have in this widget at the bottom, we have our battery percentage of our phone and our speaker. If you don't have this widget, you just have to click Edit, click plus in the top left corner and scroll down until you see batteries. Now you have to click Add widget and click Done. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.